Hi, Michael Nicole here again with Cabo for Sale. We're here at Morgan Residence again, and to give you all that you've been asking an update. Well, here's our furnished model unit that is a 2-bedroom lock-off and 2 baths. We are ocean view. The project is moving along just fine. So we plan on delivering these first 21 units come mid-May. So we have 6 different footprints on these 2 bedrooms. So the best priced 2-bedroom units in here downtown Cabo, period, dot. Nothing that compares. So again, as you can tell, the quality of the finish work, and as well as these will have appliances, air conditioning, a stovetop. You'll be required to get your own refrigerators. That's kind of personal, as well as dishwasher if you so choose, as well as washer and dryer. But otherwise, the HOAs on these guys will range from as little as $64 a month, and I think the most is $179. We have a rooftop pool, which is completed. We have an over 800 square foot gym. On top of this is going to be the sun deck, which is going to have the built-in fire pits, barbecues, lounge chairs, built-in couch. Again, you can ask us any questions. We've been down here 22 years, so please feel free to ask us anything about Los Cabos. We look forward to hearing from you. And please join us on our Facebook and hashtag and Twitter sites. We love the loyalty. Thank you again for all your support. God bless.